Hi folks, I'm Chris Hurst. Welcome to the Wise Woman's Garden, a new series of videos showing how to grow your own supplies for food, folk medicine, herbal remedies, dyes for fabrics and everything in between. Learning how to connect with the spirit of the land and plants as we go. I have a new plot of land, so this garden is being created from scratch. So let's see what I've inherited here. The plot that I have to create this garden is in between the grass borders on either side of the picture. The greenhouses unfortunately belong to my neighbours' plots. Let's see what we have that we want to keep. We have a rhubarb patch. Look at the size of those shoots. Big, fat, juicy, healthy rhubarb. A bit further up we have purple dead nettle. I think that might lend itself quite nicely to being a hedgerow species area. Towards the back of the plot there are two amazing apple trees, which in harmony with the way nature grows, we will use to form guilds, creating natural ecosystems. We have another area where there are already 3 rows of beds dug with pathways in between them. Whilst nature doesn't grow in straight lines, we're also not one for reinventing the wheel, so we will use them, at least this year, as they are. Apart from which the one area has a very healthy looking crop of parsnips already growing in it. At the very back of the plot we have 4 large, deep, purpose-built compost bins, 2 of which are already full. We also have a tool storage shed with a large water tank to the left of it and plenty of other water tubs for building other water storage systems. Vlogs on every aspect of the creation of the garden will follow. Videos on individual plants will be found in the Herbal Apothecary section of the channel. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to follow the story of the creation of the garden, please subscribe to the channel.